He's the vizier of Baghdad. And the viziers of Baghdad are Sanskrit literate Buddhist abbots from Afghanistan, a family called the Pramukhs. When they convert to Islam and move to Abbasids, Pramukh, the Sanskrit word Pramukh, becomes Barmak. And they call from, let's get the map up, they call from Sindh on the right of the map, an embassy that arrives in Baghdad in 776. And they have with them, at the request of the Barmakids, the works of Aryabhatta and Brahmagupta. Aryabhatta, who comes up with the circumference of the earth and the distance of the earth from the sun in the 5th century during the Gupta period. Brahmagupta, his follower, who comes up with definitions of zero, the first man to define zero as an active number. These two crucial texts get taken to Baghdad, and there they are translated by a guy called Al-Khwarizmi. Al-Khwarizmi writes a book with this incredibly long title, The Compendious Book of Calculating by Completion and Balancing According to Hindu Calculation. Now, no one wants to use that, particularly in Arabic, that it sounds even longer. So it's known by a nickname, and it's known as Algebra, which is the basis of our word algebra. While Al-Khwarizmi, who does the translation and who adds a bit of Euclid and adds a bit of his own ideas, it's not just a translation, that's to do it in justice, but he unravels this complicated Sanskrit mathematics in incredibly simple Arabic prose. Al-Khwarizmi gives his name to algorithm. So algebra and algorithm, two numbers. I mean, algorithm is obviously the word of the moment. Whenever we talk about Elon Musk or Twitter or Facebook or whatever it is, we talk about algorithms. It's at the heart of modern mathematics and computing. It comes from India. This is not controversial. This is a simple matter of fact. How does it get from the Arab world to Europe? That's the next stage. So you've got from Sindh to Baghdad, so from the right-hand corner of the map to the middle of the map. Al-Khwarizmi's translation, which is very simple, very clear prose in Arabic, travels through North Africa, from Egypt to Tunisia, Algeria, Morocco, and into Islamic Spain. And by the 10th century, Christian monks in Spain are beginning to use this system. But astonishingly, it remains the Latin numbers that are used in Northern Europe and Italy and France and Britain up until the 12th century. Now, at that point, if you look at the top of Italy, you can see Pisa. Pisa